Okay, so morning folks and welcome back to my channel, and this is Salim on board. And today's just going to be a normal morning fun, just a short spin and just to warm up my engine on my 2012 Crossplane. So let's do this. 81 degrees, quite normal warm up. Chalo bhai, chalte. I know. आप लोग सब बड़े लोग भी. What to do? We're all small people. Where? He knows the shortcut. He knows the way. Let him go in Jupiter. No, we'll follow him. That's what I'm telling. My goodness. 2 R1s. So that thing is a 2005 R1 and this is a 2012 Crossplane. So there's a world of difference in both the bikes. But if you ask me to pick one, it would be quite a challenging task because both are my favorite. Hey, left. He went left. क्या भी है? What happened? So, okay, any other petrol bank?
Shell I know, but not nearby one.
The UP City one.
My office room.
The UP City one. Then?
Near Vasan Nagar.
Oh, Vasan Nagar के पास.
Which is nearby BP.
HP.
Indian Oil.
भारत पेट्रोल में.
BP is okay, kind of fine.
What do we do?
BP will have to go to that Shanti Nagar bus stop.
BMTC bus stop, Shanti Nagar.
Oh,
Nearby
Hmm.
one.
the Shell is there, huh?
Shell, not Shell, Bharat Petroleum.
BP.
BP is not worth the HP or Shell, only these two are the good.
HP कहते हैं ब्रिगेड रोड जाना.
लेट होगा यार अभी.
लेफ्ट हैंड साइड राइट.
ऐसा बोलो मैं घर से लेके आता HP हमारे घर के पास ही है. हमें क्या पता है तो. We should not run in much of reserve actually.
We'll go to Indian Oil.
BP, yeah.
Or Indian Oil is self-sustained.
Indian Oil waste यार. छोटा भी मत. इसके लिए नहीं. See either Shell or HP करते.
Where is HP nearby? HP petrol bank, anyone? What about this one, this route that goes towards Ashoka Pillar? Any other petrol banks there?
Right next to Ashoka Pillar there's a petrol pump and also this one.
Ashoka Pillar के पास एक पेट्रोल बैंक है इट्स.
यहाँ से कितना दूर वो बोल.
यहाँ से कुछ 2 kilometers.
Right here, right opposite to Ashoka Pillar there's a petrol pump.
How many kilometers?
2 or 3.
अच्छा तो कोई स्टॉप था सामने. बहुत कम है, बहुत कम है इसमें. एक काम करेंगे, यहाँ पर 200 डालेंगे 30%।
दैट्स ऑल बेस्ट।
इसके बाद इमीडिएटली अभी ज़्यादा भूख में है गाड़ी, भूख प्यास भूख में सब कुछ।
दैट्स ऑल वी कैन डू एज इफ नो। किधर इधर है ना इंडियन ऑयल पे, हियर ओनली।
But I fear that very petrol Indian oil is like ruckus it is. No quality. इस गाड़ी को यार HP और Shell only.
Maximum 2 kilometers.
हाँ?
Maximum 2.
2 kilometers.
I
यार
think we should go.
कौन सा बोलो?
Bikes, I'm telling you, they don't deserve this place. I'm telling you, they don't deserve this country. And look at this Camry though. Oh, what is this? Look at The roads are so terrible, and this country doesn't deserve these bikes. वो just tells the कहता ना how bad it was. That too patches every single one. It's only patches every single where. This is also closed.
What the hell is it? Nothing area. कहाँ जाना था यहाँ से?
यहाँ से if you take a right, it will go to Urushi Theatre again, and if you go straight, it will go to Corporation. Corporation, सीधा गए कबन पार्क, like that it will go. And if you take सामने गए टाउना लाजा.
Again it go to UP city only. Don't want area noda.
See, the other option is right like Urvashi Theatre. Again, if you go straight, you will get Shantindra Depot.
We came from there only.
Yeah. So take a left, वहाँ पे एक petrol bank है. That's the nearest one from now.
From there, try only that again we'll go to Shell itself, right?
No need to go Shell. You are BP. Listen though, left. Sir, normal 200 actually. चले no chill Zain has given me 1,000 rupees for petrol.
He's given me.
Yeah, he has already given me. I'll put for 200, वहाँ जाके remaining डला देते हैं. Come
Where
and
should
go.
we go for? We'll just park it for now, and tomorrow we'll put full top it up.
Because traffic is picking up.
Going back home now.
Yeah. Traffic is huge. So, how would we go? We'll go back like this.
It's easy, no?
This is easy. If you go straight, this again passport office.
Again, we'll go towards that overseas side.
Same. So we'll go like that only. You go. I'll record you. Go. Go in front. So finally managed to find something or the other. So this is the problem of owning a Superbike. You don't really find the power petrol across Bangalore, anywhere around Bangalore. So anyways, something was better than nothing today. But thank you so much for watching the videos. So until next time. So thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe and ride safe. Ta, bye bye.